Quantra is proud to present to you the course on trading with machine learning, classification and SVM. In the context of trading, classification techniques can be used to provide a class, or a category to a security under observation. For instance, classification techniques can be used to predict the type of the order action to be taken for a given stock. That is, long, short, or hold at a given point. Alternatively, it can be used to predict market trend, that is, upwards, or downwards, for the next day. The aim of the course is to make you capable of using classification in your day-to-day trading. After completing this course, you would have learnt about the various classification algorithms, including KNN, ANN, and random forests, binary, and multiple classification techniques, mathematics involved in classification modeling, support vector machines, and finally, an algorithm to create trading strategies, which can be used to predict the trend of securities. The course is divided into 5 sections. These sections contain the following topics. Section 1 contains the classification algorithms, such as KNN and ANN, technical indicators, such as RSI, parabolic SAR, and ADX. Section 2 contains binary classification, types of classifiers, such as sigmoid, and tanh functions, and gradient descent. Section 3 contains multiclass classification, performance measures in machine learning, and softmax function. Section 4 contains support vector machines, and a discussion on the parameters used in SVM, including kernels. Section 5 contains a predictive model using SVM, an intraday trading strategy using the predictive model, and Python coding exercises. These learning modules are comprised of explanatory videos, multiple choice questions, and interactive exercises on Python for hands-on learning. You will be provided with a carefully structured content, and the strategy codes to facilitate faster learning. Additional reading material will be available in a PDF format, to help you understand the advanced and theoretical concepts for the topics at hand. So let us start the journey of trading with machine learning classification and SVM. Good luck.